In this video, we'll set up the Lead Generator app. This powerful tool turns your website into a lead machine by letting potential customers design their own fence and get an instant budget estimate. You'll set a price per foot range for each fence you offer, giving your customers immediate helpful pricing. Let's get started in Business Settings under Lead Generator. First, activate the app using this toggle. Now create your personalized URL. This is the link you'll add to a Get an Instant Quote button on your website, directing customers right here. Once everything is configured, we'll test the full experience. Now, let's define your service area. Click Edit Service Area to open the map. Find your location, select the Draw Service Area tool. And click to create a boundary around your territory. To finish, click the first point to close the shape, and then hit Save. Now, only customers within the zone can generate a quote. Next, you can customize the app with your company's branding. Add your logo and colors, and you'll see a live preview of the header right here. When you're happy, click Save Branding. Then, set a minimum quote range. This prevents quotes for jobs that are too small. For example, if a tiny fence calculates to $800, but your minimum is $1,200, the customer will see the $1,200 to $1,400 range instead. Finally, add your sales representative's contact information, which will appear on the quote summary. Click Save when you're done. The final and most important step is to set up the fences you want to offer. This is done in the Fence Builder section. Fence Builder is where you manage all your fence templates. We have in-depth tutorials on creating these from scratch, so for this video we'll focus only on the Lead Generator settings. When the Lead Generator is active, you'll see this new column showing if a fence is available in the app. This chain link fence isn't enabled yet. To enable it, I'll open the template and go to the final step, Budget Pricing. Here you need to set a minimum and maximum price range for every single variation you offer, in this case for each height and color. You also need to set an installed price range for each gate type. The goal is for your final, formal quote to fall within this initial budget range, so be thoughtful with your numbers. Once all your pricing is entered, you can activate this toggle to include the fence in the Lead Generator. I will quickly do the same for this privacy vinyl fence, setting the price per foot and gate costs for the white and tan variations. I will click Save, and now we're ready to test. I'm going back to the Lead Generator settings to walk through the process as a customer. This is what your customer will see when they click on the link that you will put on your website. The customer enters their contact info and address. If they're in your service area, they can continue. Next, they choose their fence. I'll pick vinyl, then privacy, and select a height and color. Then they choose a canvas to draw on. I'll use the map for this example. I can quickly draw the fence line, add a gate, and click Get Quote. On this page, the customer sees a project summary, the instant budget pricing, and your salesperson's contact info. They also get a summary email. So what happens on your end? Let's go back to the dashboard. The new lead automatically appears in your customer list, and in the RFQ section you have a new opportunity waiting. When you open it, you can see all the details and the drawing the customer created. From here, you can convert it to a formal quote, make any adjustments, and send it off. And that's how the Lead Generator works. You've now turned your website into an automated tool that captures and pre-qualifies new customers.